Star here with Eye Chakra Smart Meditation Center. Thank you for watching today. Be sure to like and comment and subscribe to us if you like our content. Today I'm going to be talking about a crystal called Labradorite. You can see it in the light there. It has these beautiful shimmers and shines. It has that iridescent glow. I'm not sure if you can see it in the camera there. So Labradorite is a beautiful crystal and it's used to do so many different things. It cleanses your energy, it charges your energy, but most of all what I like it for is really strengthening your will. Let's say you have a specific goal in mind and it's easy for you to get distracted and to kind of put it over to the side. This really helps you stick with your goals and get them done because it brings prosperity and focus and creativity and everything that you need to continue pursuing that project or goal. So use this if you have something in mind that you're really trying to move forward towards, and you can put it on your nightstand. It's going to create a good energy around the room. But if you want to meditate with it, then just hold it in front of you or place it in your palm like this. And you're going to visualize that energy coming through your body. The energy is coming from above you and you're breathing it in through the top of your head and it's filling up your body. It's coming in from God, from the higher creator, into your body. And then you're going to exhale it into the earth and it's going to create roots under the ground. Imagine those roots being like your goals and your projects actually growing in the earth. Continue doing this and you're going to feel like this shift in your body at a certain point. Keep going until you feel that energetic shift. Crystals can be cleansed with salt. They can be charged with the sun, and you're going to set the intention of them with the moonlight. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'd love to hear your experience with Labradorite and any questions you may have. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Love and light.